Purifier Lake. It sounds neat. I would bet one of these two locations is a shrine, just based on the weird outcroppings. So it might be interesting to check that out. But yeah, I suspect we're supposed to now talk to Impa. Princess Zelda left behind an album. Yeah, you decide to report on your progress so far to Impa in Kakariko Village. Yeah. So it wants us to go back to Impa and report that we did learn something. That Zelda... I've heard of those, like, centaur guys. I don't remember their name, but they're supposed to be incredibly powerful. That sounds like a very strong don't go this way. So yeah. I'm leaving, don't worry. So yeah. Zelda tried to gain power at that peak, probably. It didn't work. They were hoping to try other options, but ran out of time and Ganon arrived. That's what it seems like. And then we know Ganon did something that stopped the divine beasts from being able to work as they were intended. Yeah. Guess there's no reason to just run right back through this canyon that I just came through. So let's travel back to here and go talk to Impa and see what she can say about that memory we just unlocked. All right. There's a chest over here somewhere. Seems to be in mostly this direction. It's getting a little weaker now. Is it under the house? Because I think I already scouted out down here. It's still this direction. Top of the waterfall, maybe? Check that out later. Come on, Link, get off. Now that you have seen some of the princess's memories, you must have started remembering certain things. Here, I'll hand this over to you before I forget. Champion's Tunic. In ancient Hyrule, this garment could only be worn by one who had earned the respect of the royal family. Equipping it will reveal an enemy's life gauge. That's cool. This is something of yours that I have been keeping safe by request of the princess. Can't I already see enemy life gauges? This clothing was especially made for you when you became a champion. Please handle it with care. Alright. I am wearing the warm doublet right now, which is armor 11? No, it's armor 1, bringing my total armor to 11. This is armor 5. So I won't be able to handle cold areas as well, but should survive better. And can I get that stone? Come on, guys. No. We're back to that. To think 100 years ago you wore that champion's tunic every day. I feel as though I've been transported in time. Link, our princess. You must rescue her. Did I get a new quest? No, just keep figuring out the memories. Okay. Can you tell me about the next memory then? So you found the gate? Heh, I can tell just from looking on your face. There must have been a time when lots of people used that gate. The world sure is fickle, isn't it? Ah, you will not tell me about the next one. I was hoping he was just an automatic guy who would tell me. Recovered memory 15 of 18. Okay. How do I see... There we go. There's the album. So the gate is the only one I've found so far. Those are the ones I took. Right? Yeah. That looks like just any old forest. Finding some of these are going to be hard. It's going to be by chance I would luck across them, I think. Any that are too close to the castle, I think, are going to have to wait till much later. Ah, this one I could probably find, because that's the Dueling Peaks Mountain. So we've got a lake with a ruin on it in front of Dueling Peaks. If we go back to the map, Dueling Peaks is here. Probably isn't this. So it must be... maybe here? Yeah. I'm leaning towards it somewhere in this area. And I kind of want to go find it. It's a fun thing to do at the moment. And I can tell by which of the peaks is tallest, left or right, which side of Dueling Peaks I'm supposed to be on. Presumably. Because yeah, in the album, this one, we can see the right side has the taller peak. I don't remember on the map which is tallest. Nope, let go. Someone can't hear me? I'm pretty close to a stable. What was that green glow out there? Don't know. Alright. I'm going to change this from treasure chests back to shrines. Treasure chests are everywhere. And often have mediocre loot. So trying to find them is probably not awesome. I should have definitely gone to that tower rather than the shrine I went to. Okay, can I see the peaks? Not really. I don't want to deal with, what are those, Octoroks? And I guess I can start things out. Huh. Or I can just win right away. There's always an option. Really, I don't care enough, and I've died way too many times. Fish. No. Alright. Let's climb up this cliff. We're now back in low-level areas where I can better handle the combats, which I am a fan of. So I don't need to be nearly as worried about the enemies I find. Yeah, that's a bright green glow out there, and I don't know what it's from. We're near far enough. A little bit more. There we go. Oh, hey, buddy. Ow. Oh, I thought you were dead. My vicious sickle is nearly gone already. I just got the thing. The durability of weapons in this game is kind of crazy. Alright, let's get my axe out. Grab a bunch of stuff. Traveler's Claymore isn't bad. Some cooked meat, seared steak. And let's do some cooking. Alright. I want stuff that will give me stamina, which I think is Stamella Shrooms, I know. Increase your attack power. Temporarily increase maximum hearts. No special effects. Nothing. Increase stealth. Defense. Cook it to increase the number of hearts it restores. Stealth. Stealth. Toughness. Elixirs. 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 Also, I wish you could sort materials from things for food versus things for elixirs. Stamina. Alright, so let's... No, not eat. There's a waste. So that's cold temperatures, movement speed, healing. Okay, so stamina-wise, since I just wasted one of them, we've got, I think, just these, so I can make 5 stamina dishes. Bitter cold. Alright. Hold. And then we'll toss in a couple of apples. And see what that does. Cook. Okay. We did say a fish. Hold, don't just eat a raw fish. And one of these. And then we cook it. Pseudonym says cook. Yep. We're finally getting around to cooking because I am out of... Well, that was equally good as the last one. Yeah, I'm super out of food. So we'll hold another one of those and toss in a different fish. And cook. I'm trying not to do things that are going to be majorly overhealing me. That had a different sound. Whoa! 6 hearts? Is that fish that I just cooked amazing somehow? Wild armored carp has been bred into a prize-winning fish. Its beautiful colored markings do not occur in nature. It offers no special effects when cooked. Are you sure? Because it made a single mushroom and the fish turn into... Never mind, I'm gonna stop holding that fish. It's too valuable. We'll go with just some raw meat and cook that. Because that fish can create meals that heal 6 hearts. That's extremely excessive for my current needs. Hold you, another piece of meat. Cook that. So that'll be 5 stamina dishes, which will be good for cases where I find myself drowning. And then let's just cook up a handful of other things. Got lots of apples. Do we have any more just like basic mushrooms? Don't think so. Maybe we'll grab one of those and see what this turns into. 4 heart. That was an apple. So maybe apple and this. So an apple on its own heals half a heart. If it's just a cooked apple, it heals 3/4 of a heart. So let's see what an apple plus an acorn does. Experimenting. 2 hearts. And 2 hearts is actually quite good because I don't have a ton of hearts. I think I'm just gonna cook a bunch of these, so I have a bunch of 2 heart meals available. Well, there is also something to be said for figuring out elixirs, which I think take up my same... Do I have a maximum slot on cooked meals? I don't actually know if I do. Let's see. If I was going to do temporarily increase maximum hearts, so if I wanted to make an elixir, then we're looking at monster parts, defense, move quickly, stealthily. A lot of them are just defense. Monster parts, I don't think give anything specific. Maximum hearts. Increase your heart recovery. Was hoping to find something that would give me stamina, but it's hard to sort through this. Because I don't think elixirs use the same stamina ingredients. Like, I don't think I could have mixed one of those stamina mushrooms into an elixir. I think I would need to find some sort of, like, snail, lizard, crab, whatever, that would boost stamina to make such an elixir. So I guess instead, I will just keep cooking and not have elixirs. Spicy mushroom rice balls? Yum. I know this is probably not the most exciting thing in the world to watch. Hopefully it's not terribly boring. Just a handful more. Mainly, I think 2 hearts is a safe meal to have, so I'm not constantly overhealing myself. I can just quickly heal up when I'm down by a couple of hearts. So that's why this seems like a good deal, and it's using incredibly cheap and easy ingredients to find. One more. Okay. So out of curiosity, is there... No, I don't know if that's... I was gonna see if I had crossed over the maximum, if it would give me another page for storing food like it does with materials. But can't tell yet. I don't want to use that. Oh, that's what they mean about being able to see enemy health. I can see actual numbers now. Rather than just a health bar. Okay. 72 out of 72. Yikes. What are the chances I hit this? There we go. Don't need your Boko shield. Yeah, that 72 of 72 is a bit scary. I'm definitely glad I can see that kind of information, but it's also a bit terrifying. I need fire arrows for this. Actually. Nope, not that. I have bombs. Oh, come on. It's not what I wanted at all. Nah, still not where I wanted it. There we go. Hey. I'm the one attacking here. Soldier's broadsword. Nice. Oh, ran out of space. No problem. I'm sure I have weapons I'd be more than willing to discard. I like the boomerang. Cool. You guys have 1 hit point? Wow. Oh, hey, buddy. Cool. I think I've cleared out this whole camp. I don't know if there's a chest for it, though. Good stuff. Alright, I should be able to see the dueling peaks. We've got the tall one on the right, which I think is what I was looking for from here. Tall one on the right. But I need to go a lot further back. Maybe over there? Or even farther back this way? You know, we're getting there. Maybe it is just right here. We look... No, much farther back. Oh, I missed... do you have any Stamella shrooms? Endura shrooms and Endura carrots also buff stamina, along with a few other things. If you have Courser bee honey, for example, now go take photos of everyone as they try to kill you, blow yourself up. Actually, if you shoot at the lanterns in the eye, they explode. See the birch trees. That is a lot of information. I do not see... I don't know trees, so I don't know if I see birch trees. Oh, is this the ruin we were looking at? Oh, hey, buddy. I hear. Ow. Goodbye, you. Use my weapons that are almost broken. Alright. I'm gonna grab the spear, because spears are awesome. Anyway, I think I'm getting closer to the right spot. There should be some sort of golden glow on the ground, I'm assuming, when I'm in the right location, like how it was last time. Not really sure. Back in your photo, there's white trees and a shrine of some kind. That's true. White trees. Yeah, there's some sort of location on water, like a ruin. Okay, so yeah. White trees, which are apparently birch trees. I can specifically keep an eye out for, because that is a bit unique. And no, I'm not going to deal with this Korok. I think it's more this way, actually. Is there... It'll be that lake. But yes, as for the various foods that give stamina, I've used them all up. Clearly I should have looked for more Stamella shrooms when I was in an area that had them, which I am apparently currently not.